Hello, hello, hello. This is Vineet from Edge Forex. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, guys? You are looking at our Discord channel where the main section where all the action happens is called market analysis. That is where all the action happens on a daily basis. All right, so what I want to make sure is show you guys what we have been predicting for all these months and what all has come true and what all is in process of coming true. So let's see, let's go look at TradingView. So my favorite platform for charting and do some technical analysis is called TradingView. It is the biggest platform, and I think the worldwide usage for TradingView is about I want to say about 100 million. Think how many users actively use TradingView? So you have 90 plus million traders that use TradingView on a regular basis. So that tells you how big this platform is. It is by far the biggest a chart analysis platform that is being used by millions and millions of people on an absolute regular basis. So let's go look here. Look at my favorite chart. Okay, guys, just bear with me for a second. I'm gonna go live on our Discord also, and then I'll be back. Let me go live on Discord, and I'll get back. I'll be back in 1 second. So let's go live here right now. Okay. Live Friday, start stage. Upping hang up. Starting the stage. Okay, and then I'm gonna share my screen. This particular one, 1080p, go live. All right, so we are live, guys. Okay, this is good. I hope everybody can hear me. Guys, give me a shootout. Give me just a signal that you guys can hear me properly on Discord and on our Facebook Live. All right, just give me a nudge that you guys can hear me. Yes, no? Somewhere, somehow? All right. So, guys, the markets are absolutely crazy today, guys. And I don't think that it's going to change anytime soon because Russia-Ukraine situation is absolute nuts. That's making gold go crazy. So let's see where gold's at. 1 second. Yeah, okay. So let's see where gold's at. So here, as you can see, I'm looking at charts on my TradingView account where I've gone on TradingView and started making some chart analysis and predictions as of last few days. And the feedback that I'm getting out of TradingView is just absolutely amazing. As you can see here, I'll show you. If you want to see my analysis on TradingView, just search for edge.forex, spelled out EDGEDOT Forex, and then you'll see all of my analysis that is on TradingView. So let me show you some of the recent analysis that I've done. Ah, nice. So I'm getting more and more followers on a daily basis, which is because I only started 2-3 days ago, and it's being appreciated a lot. So tells me that we are doing something right on TradingView. We're actually resonating with a lot of traders that are out there on TradingView and other platforms. So let me show you some of the analysis that these are called my ideas. So this morning I posted this particular idea on USD GBP. At the time it was trading at 125.61, and I said, hey guys, I want this to go long. I want By looking at the chart, it's going to go lower. And I've been placing a lot of trades shorting GBP USD, and I'll show you guys in a second what my trade, what do they look like. All right, so you're looking at a daily chart for GBP USD, and that is going back 2017. But I am more interested in the recent move starting June 21, where it was at its high at around 141, 142 zone, and that's when it started to crash. And its crescendo at that Brexit crescendo, it got down all the way very close to par with the US dollar at right around 103. So that's a crash of almost 30%. And guys, that's huge, really, really big when it comes to currency markets. So if a stock crashes 20-30%, no big deal. But when a major currency like British pound that crashes 30% in a span of a year and a half, that's a major move. And we actually rode that move, most of it, not all of it, most of it. That was our actually biggest profitable trade for Edge Forex ever. So we were able to call it, and we went in early. We rode it all the way down to I want to say around 105ish, and then we got out, and that was solid profits. We booked a lot of profits. But that said, it bottomed out at 103, topped at 141, 142, and then it bounced back, and it was a very solid bounce, and it went all those Fibonacci retracement, but at 786, it at precise clockwork, it bounced right back down, and it's on its way down again. We believe long term it's going to go back, retest its lows, and break lows. But again, that's out a year and a half, 2 years. I don't know how long that's going to take. But the trajectory is definitely lower in our opinion based on our work. And I've laid out my prediction as to how it's going to play out. And I'm going to show you guys that we at Edge Forex, we put our mouth where our money is. So we don't just preach what trades to take, we also take those trades along with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys in a second. So this is one of our predictions that we just came out this morning, that hey, GBP USD, it is going to go lower and a lot lower, and it's going to go closer to par over a year and a half, 2 years, somewhere around there. Could be sooner, I don't know that, but we are adding positions as we speak. So we have multiple accounts that we trade for our own purposes. For example, there are certain amount of accounts that we have that are just created to, say, generate enough cash so we can run our operations. Other accounts are that are for long-term growth accounts that they all are internal Edge Forex accounts. Then there are other accounts that are marketing accounts. Marketing accounts are the ones that we show all of our trading live. So let me show you what our accounts look like. I'm going to go back and forth as and when think of things. I'm going to go back and forth to keep things interesting so they don't get mundane or boring. So let me show you what our trading looks like on here on our Discord channel. So market analysis, this is where majority of the action happens. I hope you guys can see it. So this is where majority of the action happens in market analysis channel, where I go on a very regular basis, pretty much on a daily basis. And if I see anything interesting happening in particular, I go here, post it, either video, audio, or just a little blog post type thing along with some charting. So this is where I go and post my ideas as to how things are in the marketplace and where I see things going, both in the short to middle term to the long term. Here you can see, here's my analysis on EUR USD in the long term, where I see things going. And I've been making this prediction. I've been shouting from the mountaintop, pounding the table that, hey guys, from 112, time to sell, time to sell, time to sell. Go in short, and keep building your position. Do not go all in. Keep building your position over time. That's the way to go. This is, one second. Looks like the wrong chart is showing for some reason, because I'm showing EUR USD chart. I'm getting a feedback that GBP USD chart is showing. Are you seeing my Discord or TradingView? Because I'm displaying, I'm presenting on Discord at this point. One second, guys. Okay, it looks like it's still showing TradingView. So let me show the chart on TradingView itself. So okay, let me get out of here. So let me go back to, this is my EUR USD chart. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So this is head and shoulder, classic head and shoulder pattern that was formed right at around the head, top of the head was around 112 and the shoulder area was 108, 107 and a half. So we went in short at right at the top at around 111 and a half. That's where we said, okay guys, this is, I'll tell you exactly when we went short. We went short when this was broken. So we went short at around 111 and then we are riding all the way since. So let me show you guys some of our short positions just on, let me, one second guys. Let me open up my MT4. All right guys, can you see my MT4? Can you see my MT4 or are you still seeing TradingView? Okay, MT4 is not visible. So some reason what's happening is, one second guys. There's some issue with, let me go back here. Just bear with me guys. I am going to change the window. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Okay guys, are you able to see my MT4 window? So you should be able to see my MT4 window both on Discord. Okay. So what you're seeing, I was talking about GBP USD trades earlier, and I'm showing you guys when we started to take trades on GBP USD. So you can see right at the top here at around 133 was our first trade, 133.80. Then we eased ourselves into another trade at 133.05. We let it fall. We don't care. We got another trade 130, another trade 130, another trade 128, then another trade 127, then another trade at 125. So as and when the prices they fall, we are going to keep adding to our trades. And that's how we do things here. We do not go all in at once. We figure out, okay, if I want to go, I want to open, say, a lot is, say, $100,000 worth of trade. I want to do it in small pieces. So I'll have 20 trades of 5.05 lots each, but they'll be spread out across the entire move. So I'm not risking entire capital on one trade in one direction. Never ever do that. So that is why you see our trades are scattered. So as and when the prices are coming down, we are placing our trades. And we are just riding the wave. We're riding the trend. And that's the only way, and that is the best way to deal or to capture the trends. So we're looking at the 4-hourly chart. So every candle in this chart is 4 hours. So I'm going to make it a daily chart here, and then it'll give you a better picture to see where things are, where and how far things have to go. And they have to go a lot lower. So imagine the number of trades we are going to have by the time it's all the way down to, say, around par, 1.03, 1.04. So same thing. So let's go look at EUR USD. So EUR USD, I was shouting from the mountaintop. Let me show you on our Discord when we actually went first, pounding the table on Discord. One 1 second here on our market analysis. So let me make that into big, and let me go up. Let me just do a search for EUR USD, and okay, and let's start searching it here. Let me get rid of that. Let me just manually search for it. Okay. Bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna search for EUR USD, the predictions that I made. Oops. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Right, let me move this here, and then that was gold alert. That's the other thing, guys. We've been putting on a lot of alerts for gold also here. This is all right, guys. This is one of the charts, one of the predictions I made of the trade where it broke the trend line and we were right around 109. Imagine, guys, if we had to write that trade, and then we called it, we placed that trade. Actually, you know, guys, what, we're still in that trade. We are still writing it, and I'll show you in a second. And then we took that trade, and then we gave another update for that particular trade that, hey guys, if you still haven't, the trade has not played out yet. There's still more than half to go on that particular trade. And then we kept going, and boom, that trade hit our target. We made easy 250 pips on that. But again, I told at the time, but hey, the trade is not fully over yet, because I saw this head and shoulder being formed. And then I came out and made another prediction that, hey guys, the EUR USD trade, even though our initial targets were hit, it's not done yet, because I was watching Dixie, the dollar index, very, very closely, because it was sitting at a very critical point at around 104 and a half. Then it was at a right at the trend line, above the top trend line, and here a very long trend line from the bottom of the triangle. It was sitting right at the edge of that, and I said, okay, if DXY breaks that 104 and a half, it's going to go high, and it's going to go high fast. And the first target's already hit, which was 107 and a half. So it's sitting right there, very pretty at the time, at this very moment at 107 and a half. And that is exactly what we predicted, because now if it breaks close above 107 and a half for the week, guys, next week is going to be fireworks. And then if DXY is going up, if dollar is going up, EUR USD obviously is going to go lower, because they work against. So if EUR USD going lower means dollar is getting stronger. Dollar is getting stronger means DXY, which is the dollar index, which is nothing but 70% euro is going higher. So this is going back what date, guys? So this is on the 29th of October. I'm here shouting from the mountaintops, guys, pounding the table hard, guys. Go get in long, get in hard now. Now is the time. And that's the exact same thing I was doing for gold, guys, for the longest time. But let's not talk about gold right now, because gold is not in the limelight at this very moment. What we are looking at right now is dollar index. Here again, I came out and said, guys, time is now to go long in USD CHF. USD CHF was breaking out. And this is on the 8th of November, I came out here, guys. And I told you guys that, hey, the head and shoulder, the neckline has broken. This is at 107, exactly what 107 I came out. And guys, it has happened. It's happening. Trade, now is the time to go short at 107 and a half. I said, now is the time to go short on EUR USD. I hope you guys listened, because if you did, you would be laughing all the way to the bank right now. So now, again, I even made a short. Here, listen to this one.
The mother of all head and shoulders is forming an EUR USD daily chart. This could be the big one. The neckline, yeah, that's our trigger.
Okay, can you guys hear it? I'm not sure if you can hear. Just watch it. It's obvious. Right. So I'm telling everybody, now is the time to get it. Now is the time to get in.
Want to know exactly when to strike? Follow now. Don't miss this hyper.
Alright, so it doesn't get any better than this, and I am so super excited that hey, all these moves are unfolding in front of us the way we predicted, the way we analyzed them. It was absolute. It was beautiful. We ended up. The thing is, we don't know how much money we're going to make because the moves are not over yet. Because we are right in the middle of these moves. If you still here, where we go. If you still are not part of the moves, this is again. I'm going in and pounding the table, guys. Even at 105.5, like guys, get in, guys. This is 150 pips ago, and then again, like. Telling you guys, now is the time to get in. Now is the time to get in. Same thing with USD, CAD, CHF. Same thing's happening with USD, CAD. Guys, time to get in. The moves are not over yet. Things are not done yet. We are in middle of our trades, and I'm going to show you the trades that we are part of. Again, here I'm pounding the table for USD, CAD, USD, CAD. Here we go. I'm pounding the table again on EUR USD. Here, this is at 105.40, and I'm saying, guys, if you have not gotten in, now is the time. You can still get in. It's not too late. All right. So we're riding the wave. We're riding the wave, and I am here telling you guys, this is the time to get in. Okay, guys. And here for gold, see, and I said, hey, gold broke its trend line, is above the trend line. Okay. If it breaks the trend line again to the downside, time to sell. Otherwise, price is going a lot higher. Guys, it's all in front of you, all here right now for you guys to follow, for you guys to see. And again, here, I don't know, guys, how much more I can do for you guys or show you guys how markets work. Here we go, a classic head and shoulder pattern, and then into a bearish flag pattern, breaks that down. And at the point, I don't know how much more confirmations market is going to give us that, hey guys, this is going lower and it's going to go low fast. And that's exactly what's happening. It's unfolding in front of our eyes at this very moment. So let's see. So this is me showing you guys that, hey, we do not hide anything. There is nothing hidden. Our trades are in front of you. Our analysis is in front of you. We're not asking you for any money. We're not charging you guys anything. We're just showing you our trading. We're showing you our setups as and when they happen live, one-on-one to you guys. All I ask of you guys is participate. Give me your feedback. Challenge me. Tell me where are you guys think I am being wrong. Tell me what is it that you would like me to show you guys, or what are the other things that you like to see and learn about Forex markets. And I would be more than happy to indulge you guys in anything and whatever you guys want. And then other thing what we do is our short-term trading. So our short-term trading is based on sudden market moves. For example, there was this big move that happened earlier in the day where USD CHF shot up because dollar got really strong. And then our strategy, that is, I have come out and explained it to you guys numerous times, that when a price takes a sudden move and then there is a divergence and then there is a confirmation of reversal, we take a trade. And that's exactly what happened today. And when we take a trade, we have three roads, okay? Low road, middle road, and high road. So based on your account balances as to what is your account balance and what size you want to take a trade of. For example, if you have an account, say about $1,000 or $2,000, $3,000, you want to follow the low road. So based on that, we tell you guys exactly, let me bring this up. Okay, we tell you exactly if your account size is say 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, we'll tell you if it's a buy symbol, a buy or sell, what is the pair. In this case, it was USD CHF, and then we tell you the actual size of the trade. Okay, and then we tell you that, hey, now is the time. This is when Edge Forex has placed that trade. It's a sell trade, 0.01 size at 89.04 price. And we give you the actual, we capture the chart as exactly what was happening with that pair at that very moment. So you can see the price is overbought, you can see the divergence is in place, and boom, we are in the trade. And we tell you guys, and there's nothing, we don't charge you for that, right? And I would like for you guys to understand as to why we took those trades. And same thing happened earlier, that we took a trade for EUR CHF, where we have a couple of trades already opened. So some of you guys asked me that, hey, you do not give any TP or SL. I'll explain it to you guys in a separate video. But right now, I just want to show you guys where to go and follow our trades. So you need to go to either low road, middle road. Middle road is the one, for example, trades are the same. It's just that you'll see that the order size is different, because the middle road is based on the account sizes 10,000 or higher. So if your account size is closer to, say, 10,000, you want to follow trades on the middle road. If your account size is, say, 1,000 or 2,000, you want to follow trades from the low road. And if your account is, say, 50,000 or higher, you want to follow trades on the high road, because here you will see the order size is 0.42. So again, the trades are exactly the same. There's nothing different between middle row, high row, and low road. It is just to give you guys an idea on what should be the trade size. Because if you guys go out and start placing trades bigger than what your account size permits, or it should, you can blow your account in no time. And that is something that I see happening every day. Because the biggest thing, the best thing you can do for your trading is size your trades properly. Size your trades according to your account size. You have an account size of 1,000, don't open up a trade of half a lot or a lot. Because I see that happen all the time. Because this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, guys. Trading is a marathon. Trading takes time to make money. It's the compounding effect that you want to put into your trading, right? Because we have these three roads, the high road, middle road, and the low road. They all will reach to $1 million. No doubts about that. But the only thing is time. We have to give it time, because if we start hurrying, if we start placing trades with irrational sizes, we will blow up our accounts in absolutely no time. So we have to be extremely careful as to what our account size, what our trade size is in relation to our account size. So it has to be in tandem, it has to be proportionate. So that is exactly why we have low road, middle road, and high road based on your account size. You would follow one of these roads. And any questions, any doubts whatsoever, guys, I am here for you guys every day. For most of the day, I am here. You'll see that Edge Forex is live, is always green, as in that means I am available to answer your questions. And what I'm going to do going forward is I'll try my best that to be live like this. This is a live session right now, and interact with you guys live, one-on-one. And then even sometimes I may not be even speaking, but I will be live. I'm here, maybe I'm looking at a chart, maybe I'm answering an email or a message, but that doesn't mean that I'm not here. So even though I am here, doesn't mean that I have to speak the entire time. I'll get tired. I won't be able to do other things. But for me to be able to do other things and be here live with you, you guys will have to work with me. You'll see my screen. You'll see exactly what I'm looking at. You'll see exactly what I'm working on. And you can just kind of knock and say, hey, Vineet, I have a question for you. Can you look at this chart? Can you look at that chart? And, let's do some analysis together. That's the kind of interaction that I am looking for with you guys, with our members, or for this beautiful setup here that we have, which is Road to $1 Million. Because all roads, my goal, guys, is to make 1,000 millionaires. I know it may sound very gimmicky, you may say, but no, that is my goal, because we are taking these accounts to $1 million each. Now it's up to you to join us in this journey to take your accounts also to $1 million, following our trades and following our strategies. And guess what? It's not going to cost you anything. I'm not going to ask for any money for that. I am not asking for any money, guys. It's open for everybody. You come in and you follow our trades. You talk to us. Let's trade together. Let's face everything together. So right now we have two trades going on. One is EUR CHF long, and another one we have is USD CHF short for our short-term trading. Okay, that's we post our trades here for you guys to follow and all of that. So now for our long-term trading, the ideas that I post, for example, the EUR USD trade. That trade, we started taking trades from, let me go back to MT4. So let me pull up EUR USD chart. So if you look at EUR USD chart, we started going into the trades from 111.80. Just to give you guys an idea, and we're gonna ease our way into those trades. Again, all that said, guys, for our long-term trading, it's a theme. We follow a theme. And current theme right now is there is a lot of chaos in the marketplace. Russia is threatening nuclear bombs to go into Ukraine and to other Western European countries. Things like that, this is when investors, they want to go for safe haven. The biggest safe haven is gold. And the other two safe havens after gold are US dollar and Swiss franc. So as long as there is turbulence in the marketplace, as long as there is chaos in the marketplace, right now there's a turmoil in the US political circles. Nobody knows what's happening. Nobody knows what to expect from Trump's second presidency. So as long as there is chaos, as long as there is political turmoil, as long as there is financial turmoil, markets are absolutely crazy. On one hand, Powell is coming out and dropping rates, cutting rates, interest rates. But on the other hand, the 10-year yields are going up, saying that whatever Powell is doing is not right because inflation is around the corner. So there is a lot of turmoil. And today, earlier, the numbers came out of Europe and Germany. They were so negative. That is the reason why Euro fell almost 200 pips at a time, at one point of time. So when there is this kind of chaos, so much uncertainty, that is when investors and traders, they run towards safe haven. That is why even though the dollar is going higher, it's ripping higher, but the gold is also ripping higher. So the dollar and gold, they are ripping higher at the same time. Why? Because there is so much uncertainty in the market. There is so much turmoil in the market is the reason why both dollar and gold are ripping higher at the same time. And it makes perfect sense. And that is the theme in the market. So that's the underlying theme that we are following. And that's where we place medium to long-term trades. So we are expecting dollar to run a lot further. A lot further, I don't know, maybe 110, 112. I don't know. I don't want to put out a number yet. I will keep you guys updated as things unfold. As of now, I don't see dollar to correct in a meaningful way anytime soon, at least in the medium term. If there is any short-term correction, which there always will be, it is a good time to add to your positions. But if things change, for example, all of a sudden tomorrow, Russia and Ukraine, they have a ceasefire, or Israel and Hamas or Hezbollah or Iran, they have some kind of agreement, and Trump all of a sudden is started working good with the Democrats, all bets are off. That's where we have to reinitialize or reanalyze our positions and see that, hey, how do we position ourselves based on the current circumstances? And right now, what the circumstances are is telling me that the dollar is going to get stronger because of its safe haven attraction. Gold is going to get stronger because of what's happening around the globe. There is a lot of angst in the market. So other thing is Bitcoin and the crypto. We do not trade Bitcoin. No, we suggest or no, we promote Bitcoin. No, we say Bitcoin is bad. I have my own personal opinions, which I want to keep to myself and not make public, because we don't trade. No, we analyze Bitcoin. No, we analyze any crypto. We just stay out of crypto market. And my personal opinions are not necessarily favorable to Bitcoin. So I just want to, because if you don't trade it, why even make a statement? So let's just keep out of it, because that's not a market that we understand very well, nor we want to understand. So our expertise is Forex, our expertise is macro. That is where we want to spend our energies in, because that's what we understand best. And in our opinion, that's what gives us the edge over everybody else, because that is what we do best. Why? When somebody asks, why Forex? Why not stock markets? Why not? Because Forex markets, because they are so big. Oh, guys, so one of our trades just in real time closed right now. And here we go. Now we just closed a trade on High Road, and there was total profit of 183 euros. Nice. All right. I like it. So again, we'll show you guys. This is happening. You can see this. It's not like, we are hiding behind some paywall or hiding behind some something, that you cannot follow. It's just right here for you to follow, for you to see. We'll show you guys exactly when we get in. We'll show you guys exactly when we get out. And we'll show you guys exactly how much we made. So you guys can also do the exact same thing by following us and following our trades. So this is good. I'm so happy that this trade closed right when I'm live, so you guys can see exactly how to follow our trades. So again, exact same trade on all three: high road, middle road, and low road. So let's see, on low road the trade closed. Again, same number of pips we made, 20 pips we made, profit of $4 or 4 euros and 30 cents. Okay, on the middle road, exact same thing. Profit 20 pips, profit of 26. High road, exact same thing. Same trade. 20 pips, profit of 183. So all this is showing you guys is that it's the exact same trade. It is just the sizing of the trade that is different from road to road to road. Again, all roads are going to go to $1 million. Not if, but when. That is my guarantee to you guys, that we are going to $1 million, all these three roads. And I want you guys to come along with us. I don't care if you guys have $1,000 in your account. I don't care if you have 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Every road, every account, I want you guys to reach $1 million. And then we celebrate together. And that's the day I'm looking for. How long will it take? I have some good ideas, but it all based on your starting point. But I have a very good idea, and it's not going to take that long. Again, it's not going to take in weeks or months. It's going to take years. But we are going to get there, and it's going to be a lot of fun along the way. Like, we're having a lot of fun today. I'm having a lot of fun because a lot of my analysis is going the way it is. So I learned a lot. But there are days my analysis goes the opposite, where I'm not having a lot of fun. But what I'm doing those days is I'm learning as to where I went wrong. Why is it my analysis not going the way I was expecting it? That's where I learn. I adjust my strategies. I do deep thinking. I go research the markets. That's what we need to do. That's what I want to do with you guys together, one-on-one, every day, 6, 7, 8 hours a day. I want to be here talking to you guys, working with you guys, analyzing these trades, all these things, everything together with you guys. And then we are on this path together. We make the money together. Right now in front of you guys, we just made 200 some odd euros, and that's fine. But our goal is not chasing a trade or chasing two trades. Our goal is to grow this account to $1 million. And how do we do that? We do that with perseverance. We do not let our emotions take the better of us. That is why I am here, to guide you guys through this process, and in the process taking our accounts also to $1 million. Now, how do you know these are real accounts that we are talking about? And it's very simple, guys, because we do not hide anything. All you have to do is, there is a service called FX Blue. All right, guys, FX Blue is a third-party service that we are signed up with. They have connected to our accounts, and they verify our results and post every single thing on their site. So let's see what our accounts look like on FX Blue, and then we're going to come back. All right, guys. All right, let me get out of here. So let's go look at FX Blue. Let's look at the low road first. Okay, here we are. This is our low road account. Low road account is the one where your account balance is, say, about 1,000, give or take. Even if you have an account balance of, say, 2,000, 3,000, you want to follow signals from our low road channel. All right. So I showed you guys earlier where the low road is. Okay. Right now, look at right here, low road. Okay. So let's verify what just happened. So we just closed a trade EURCHF 0.02 lots on our low road with 20 pips with a profit of $4.3 or euros. All right. So all I have to do is that account, it tells you that, hey, this is a real account. We're not dealing with demo accounts. This is a real account. And we go back to the orders and we go to close orders. Okay. And then we sorted by close date. So I want the latest order that was closed now to be here. Okay, there we go. EURCHF. All right, guys. So close by order EURCHF 0.02 lots and total profit of 4.3. All right, guys, right here. EURCHF 0.02 lots, total profit of 4.3, total pips 20.4. All right, guys. Exactly what you see is what you get. There's no BS, no nothing. That is why I would like you, if one thing I want to get across for you guys is transparency. If we are winning a trade, we show it to you guys. If we make a loss, we show it to you guys as well. So now we'll say, okay, you showed me the low road. Well, how about the middle road or high road? Let's look at high road. All right. So if I look at high road, I look here. Oops. Close by EURCHF. Lot size of 0.84. Total pips 20.7. Okay. Remember, lot size 0.84 because it may be a little different when we go there. And I'll explain to you why. All right. If I come here and all I have to do is change from LR to HR for high road. Okay, I go to orders and let me zoom in a little. Okay, and I go to closed orders and I go to sorted by close date. Okay, here we are. It's not here yet. 1 second, guys. Orders. Open. Hey, where's the close date? I need to be in closed orders. Close date. 11/19. It's not showing here. Huh. Interesting. So, in all likelihood, it's not refreshed here because it happened so recently. It's not refreshed here. But you can see all the other orders that were closed earlier that are here, and you can go and check. But within this, right now, I'm going to come back in 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and I'm going to check what happened if that order is refreshed. I think sometimes there is a delay from our MT4 terminal and our servers on to FX Blue that there is a few minutes delay on projecting the reflecting the orders. But you can see here that we are generating. So last 181 days that's when we started trading on this particular one. We have generated almost $13,000 or euros in profits, and you can see the equity curve is on a nice upward trajectory. So let me show you Middle Road. Middle Road is our flagship strategy marketing account. When I say marketing account, because we do not deposit nor we take any withdrawals from these accounts. These accounts are there for your scrutiny, for our scrutiny, so you guys can go in and verify our results, so you guys can go in and see exactly what our trading has been for the last 1,388 days. All right, that's when we first started trading this particular strategy. We have made 52,000 pips, 80% winners, 4% monthly return, 1% weekly return, and a total return of almost 600%. And you can see this account is real. Even a high road account, guys. Like, we're not here to make fools out of anybody. A higher account here. It's a real account. It's our real money. Alright, guys. And the same thing goes with the high road account, that we are not going to withdraw any money. This is for scrutiny, that hey, we are putting our money where our mouth is. We are putting our money on our trades, and we are trading with you guys. We're not here to sell you guys any course. We're not here to sell you any strategy that we have not tested on our own. We're not selling anything. We are not here to sell you guys some secret trading system that is giving you these results. We are actually showing you exactly what these trades are all about. We are showing you guys on a live trading basis that how these things are done. Sorry guys, I'm gonna hang on for a second because my throat is getting really dry. I just need to get a sip of water. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry guys. So that's in a nutshell. I think it gave you guys a pretty good idea of how we operate, and our mantra is, our goal is to be transparent. If we are making profits, our goal is to be transparent. If we're making losses, our goal is to be transparent, because I don't have time for anything else. I don't have time. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time. I just don't want to. There's too much happening in the marketplace right now. Too much happening in the world right now. And I'm not here to waste your time. All right. So now, looks like something else happened just now. Let's see. Let's go back to USD/CHF. All right, guys. Looks like it's breaking out in a big way. Okay. So this is, again, my prediction that I gave. It was a classic head and shoulder. Let me enlarge this chart. So again, you're looking at TradingView charting. So this is where I came out and said, hey guys, this chart is doing a little talking here. It has this crazy, head and shoulder pattern. And then after the neckline break, boom, like a 500 pip drop. And next, again, inverse head and shoulder pattern, boom, neckline. And then it creates a bullish flag pattern, and then breaks out of that flag, and it's on its way up again. Doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any more easier, guys. So when I show you guys, it would make a lot of sense. That is what we do here. Like, I am here coming up with these ideas, and I want you guys to tell me what you guys think. If you guys think I'm full of shit, please come out and say so. I would love for you guys to give me the feedback. I would love for you guys to show me what is it that I'm doing right, or I can do better. I'm all ears. I have been in markets long enough to know that markets are a lot bigger than my ego. I would be the first person to admit that I'm wrong when I'm wrong. And I would be the first person to be humbled by you guys who can show me something that I can do better. So it has nothing to do with egos. It has nothing to do with, I'm better than you, or my knowledge is better than X, Y, or Z. It is all about learning together. It is all about creating wealth together. It's all about financial freedom. It's all about creating those millionaires together and making some money and having some fun along the way. It's about creating this community together, which is coming along really good. All I need is more participation. I don't understand why there is so much lull. I need participation. I want participation, guys. Tell me what is it that you guys want to see. Tell me what is it that I'm doing wrong. Tell me what analysis you want to see more or less of. So here I am. I'm open book, guys. I've showed you my theme. I've spoke about my theme. I spoke about the trades that we are in right now. I spoke about our short-term trades. I spoke about our different strategies, how you can follow based on your account sizes and whatnot. If you have $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 accounts, or $50,000 accounts, we have a road for you to follow that'll take you to $1 million. So all that said, I've been yakking for, I don't know, at least half an hour, 45 minutes now. And I would like some participation. If not, that's fine too. If you just want, you guys want to listen, or just throw me a message. Just at least say something. Throw a message. Tell me what is it that you would like me to cover, and then I'll absolutely love to do that. So if that is it, who all are there? I don't see anybody, but that's okay. Okay. Why can't I see anybody? Am I the only one? Okay. So yeah, so right now we are live on here on our Discord, and we are also live on our Facebook page. So that we are live on. So going forward, we are going to be live not only on Discord, Facebook. We'll be more than likely live on Twitter, and we're also going to be live on YouTube. So those are the platforms that we are going to be live on going forward, so we can capture maximum amount of audience that we can. And also, guys, we have a podcast by our Mr. Angry George, who loves to talk about trading psychology. If you have not heard him yet, I urge you guys. This guy is funny. All right. So what you can do is you can hear him I post this podcast on our market analysis and conspiracy corner, but you can do so by going to road2million.club. road2million.club. Here we are. And this guy, guys, he does not hold back any punches. Tells you exactly what things are, how you should handle your trading psychology, how to create a winning mindset. I urge you guys to subscribe to this guy, and he comes out and talks about trading psychology 2-3 times a week, and he does a market update every Monday. Not to be missed. So this guy is good. I follow him. You love him. You love him. You absolutely love him. So you can go to road2million.com, not road to a million. That's our other site. But this is also our site, but strictly podcast, strictly about trading psychology. And I cannot promote this enough. I cannot, recommend this enough. You guys must listen to this guy if you want to overcome your trading fears or trading psychology. How to overcome greed, how to overcome fear of missing out or FOMO, how to overcome all those trading, when it messes with your head. And that's when you want to go listen to this guy. When you're in doubt, listen to this guy. He'll clarify everything. And on the other hand, I'm also always here. So whenever you see me live, not necessarily live speaking like I'm doing right now, but whenever you see me live, that I'm live, you can send me a message about absolutely anything. Right? So I think I'll call it quits for now. I may stay live. But let me see what's happening right now. But that's really cool. So USD CHF is breaking out. So let's see what CAD CHF is doing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I came out with this, guys, here. It feels nice when you do some analysis and it comes exactly the way you predicted. So for example, I came out with this bullish flag, and I say, it's just a matter of time when it's going to break out. And when it does break out, it's going to be ballistic. It's going to go up really, really fast. And that's exactly what's unfolding in front of our own eyes. Let me show you guys where I posted this on. This is one of my first one on TradingView. Let me show you guys. This is when I first went out and said, You can go come and see right here. So I predicted here, if we see a breakout hold above 64.30, which we are, our first stop is 65.50. So let's 64. No, we're not there 64.30 yet. But anyways, we are going there. We are going to. I think our first stop is around 64. Then we are looking at a 64.50ish. Then it's going up. It's going higher. That's for sure. So okay, so that's when I came out and predicted. Let's see where things are. Let's play it out. Boom, exactly the way we predicted it here at Edge Forex. So I love it. This is amazing. I love this. So let's see what EURCHF is doing now. Nice. It had a huge fall earlier. It went all the way down to 92.20. I wish I had opened up a trade, which I didn't. It's at 93.02. So it broke 93. It's at 93.02 now. Fine. I think it's going to go up again. It tested the recent low. Yep, that's exactly what it did. So the recent low. So there's a huge support here. Let me draw this. I need a horizontal line. There's a huge support right around this area, which is right around at 92. So every time it comes down to 92, it has a huge bounce like it did this time. And if and when, I think it's more likely when, it breaks this trend line here. So we are sitting right now. So it needs to break another 100 pips or so. So if it breaks 93.50, 120, 130 pips, then it has some real legs. I'm going to be following this very, very closely, and I'll let you guys know as soon as something meaningful happens. You guys will be the first one to know. But I am following this, EURCHF that is. So it's something on my radar which I look on a day-to-day basis. So what are our main charts that I follow on a regular basis? So first thing I wake up in the morning, what do? Dixie. All right, it's playing exactly the way I wanted to or expected it to. It did say it broke out of this long time resistance. Now it's going back. Let me actually change it to 4-hour chart. It'll give you a better idea. Okay, so it broke out. So this, I drew this long time resistance, overhead resistance. And earlier, my thing was it needed to break this trend line, which it did. And then I drew this overhead resistance. I said, okay, from here to here, it's easy. That's what I was going and saying, guys, this is the easy trade when it broke 104. Guys, now is the time to get in. And that's exactly what we did. Okay, so see, here it broke that trend line, went above, came back to test it. Boom, bounced right back up. That's when you got to get into your trade. When it comes and bounces off of that trend line, off of that overhead resistance, now that resistance become support. So now that support, it bounced back on. That's when you enter in. And that's when I was asking you guys, and we did with our money too. Let's get in, guys. Let's get in. Now, boom, 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 boom. So I said, going here is easy. Going up to 107.5 was an easy trade from 104. Now is the real test. Now it breached 107.5, which was a long time resistance. Now I'm expecting it to become a long-term support. So now I would ideally expect it to come down and maybe even breach this line a little bit like it did here. If it does that and then bounces back, is the time to double up, because then, guys, let me show you, clear skies, nothing till it reaches 114. Not that it's not going to have bumps along the way, but it's a clear signal that, hey, I'm 114, I'm coming. That's the trade you guys want to ride with me. That's what I'm waiting for. It's like immediate. I'm talking, next day, Monday, Tuesday-ish. That's when things are going to unfold, and they're going to unfold like in a major, big way. And that's when we are going to make some serious cash. We're going to add up on our accounts. We're going to add up on our trades. We're going to add up on our everything. But again, not everything at once. We're going to add up every 50 pips, 100 pips, 150. We're going to break it down. We're going to do some calculations to see how much capital do we want to deploy. in this entire process till we actually reach that 114. And then what is our stop loss? Okay, if it doesn't go our way and if it reverses, at what point do we say, hey, we need to take our profits off the table and then go just call it a day? Because right now we are way ahead of the game. We have accumulated some serious profits, and we are just going to add on to them now. But at what point do we say that, okay, things are not, at what point, what happens in the marketplace where it'll say, yay, things are not going our way, let's take our chips off the table? One thing, guys, if you can take away from here, is you will never go broke by taking profits. Alright, guys? Even smaller profits are better than no profits. At least you won't go broke. And we are here for the long game. We are here for the long term. So, keeping that in mind, I'm going to call it for now. And I will be back in a little bit to chat with you guys. In the meantime, if you have any questions or any concerns or anything, just shoot me a message. And ciao for now.